Hi everyone, Sarah here. How are you guys doing today? I have some more diamond paintings to share with you today. These were sent to me by Everydayecrafts. I will have the link down below to the site so you guys can check it out. They contacted me and asked me to pick out a few diamond paintings to review on the channel. They sent them out November 1st and I received them November 9th, just in the mailing bag. It did come through Canada Post. So I believe they do have a warehouse in Canada. That's why I got here so fast. So let me take them out of the bag here. I did pre-open the packaging so I wouldn't have any issues with it. Don't want to be struggling, but I was able to pick out 4 paintings. Pretty excited to share with you guys. Trying to think which is which, but let's see. I have it all written down so I can share with you the prices and everything. It is another online website, so distributing for the diamond painting, so it comes from all different sellers. So here is the first one, and this is one that's been around for a long time, this image, but I've never actually purchased it or picked it out, and it's one that I've been wanting. And this one is a full drill round. This plastic back down here. I'll show you guys the image. It's kind of like the watercolor background with flowers and the honeybee. It's 15 colors. Legend on the top right-hand corner, top left-hand corner and bottom right-hand corner with some instructions on the bottom. The glue itself is really nice and shiny. It looks really good, and the symbols look really good too. Nice and clear. Comes with your basic toolkit with the boat, piece of wax, and a pen. And here's our drills. So this one was a 40 by 30, and the price is $7.99 Canadian. Let me just get my measuring tape here. So it is actually 23 by 32 and a half. Yeah, that's a lot smaller than a 30 by 40. Usually they're about 5 to 6 centimeters, but that's more. The image itself still looks good though. Let's take a look at the drills. It comes in these ones with the silver and blue, and yeah, there is DMC codes on them. So there is the drill number 153853 and the canvas is V287. So we do have DMC codes. The drills look good. They're sparkly. They're bright. This pink is really pretty. That must be the background. Yeah, number 7. So this background all in here is going to be pink. Really pretty. And some 310. There's some black. So that one is cute. Again, it's one that I've wanted for a while, but I just didn't get around to picking it yet. So put that off to the side. Again, 30 by 40 for $7.99. This one here. Oh, this one's interesting. This is a 30 by 30. Yeah. And I hope it turns out because it's pretty cute. And this one looks really clear for the symbols. There's a lot of colors on this one too. I don't know if you guys can tell through the camera, but this is actually an octopus on a coffee cup. And he has a coffee cup in his hand with some coffee spilling out. So cute. 30 by 30, 23 colors. Let me just measure real quickly here. Yeah, this one's 25 by 24.5, so a little bit better on that one. Legend on both sides, DMC codes. The glue, again, it looks shiny, it's sticky. The symbols are really nice and clear. This will be a nice quick painting to do. Drill kit. This one has some baggies, wax, the tray and the pen. This one is also a full round. This one was $6.99 Canadian. Can't get it open. Slightly different packaging. This one has some number, not sure what that is, but then there's the canvas code, the B1904, that corresponds with the canvas, and the drill number. So the DMC is just on the canvas itself. Again, drills look good. They're round drills, so until you actually work with them, you can't really totally tell. Colors are nice, lots of blues. Tell there's lots of stragglers. We got some purples and reds and grays, and then in here our background is going to be like this light coffee color. And there's some more. Awesome. That's number 2. And then, excuse me, number 3 here. Oh, this one's cool. This is also a 30 by 40, and this one has a fox peeking out of all these leaves. So it's kind of like the raccoon and the succulent plants that I did before. So I kind of picked it to go with that one. So this one also 24 by 33. So the canvas code size, our legend with DMC codes, there's 20 colors. This one's really dark, so definitely going to want a light pad for this one. Nice glue, shiny. There's the drill field. And the toolkit, again, basic toolkit with the boat, the wax, the pen, and a couple of baggies. And here's our drills. Slightly different packaging again. We just have the white strip, and it's just the number and the canvas code. So your DMC is just on the canvas. We've got some nice, more fall colors. It's gonna be pretty. Brown. It's pretty coral. Oh, beautiful teal there. And I hope his face pops out really nicely when this is done. So that's number 3. And then number 4. Oh yes, this is a special drill. I just thought this was really cute to do up for my kitchen. So this one is advertised as a 30 by 30 special drill, but of course it's round. Let me just see. Just under 24 by 24 for the actual image. But as you can see, it is a special drill. There's 12 different drills. It's really cool. I'm hoping this is going to look really, really nice. There is the kit, same as the other ones. Let's check out these. This one was $6.99 Canadian. So we have our clear, just the regular clear. We have a red, a pink, an orange, and that one is like a golden yellow. Oh, cool. And then these ones, these are the ones that have the gold covering over the top of them. So the clear sides that you're seeing are actually the bottom of the drill, and the top is the gold. That's going to be really cool. They're marquee shaped, and then these are just some crystal AB marquees. And then we have some larger blue, the really rounded red. These are the AB orange. These ones are neat. Some larger red ones, and then we have the orange teardrop pearls, which are number 12. They're gonna just go in here around his neck. Awesome. So that one will be done up really fast. I can share with you guys actually after I flatten out the canvas. I will be going through and finishing these off so that you guys can see the finished product, and I will have them all linked down below. Again, check it out. It's Everydayecrafts. So there are many sites that pop up with Everyday E beginning in them, but this is Everydayecrafts. Thank you to them for sending me these products to share with you guys, and I hope you like it. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.